Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and to my returning viewers, you guys are awesome. So I'm just doing a quick vlog today. So Bovi, the comedian, the Nigerian comedian, is having an event here in Toronto, and yes, we are, well, since I'm attending, let me show you guys a bit of the event, if I'm allowed to shower, I don't know. But I'll try my best. So yes, we just got here. We're in the parking lot. The event center is just right behind me. I think it's called, is it Elite or Elite Banquet Hall? I can't even remember. Anyhow, it's somewhere in Finch Avenue. So this is the car park. I think there are other activities going on here. So anyway, I just thought I will show you guys. I'm on my way in now, so see you. Okay guys, so we're still, we're in there, but they haven't started yet. Let me take off my mask. So I've been in there. This is the lobby of the hotel, but we're waiting for them to start. It's been quite a wait now. I was hoping I would have started. They haven't started yet, so I'm just in the lobby. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys around. It's just a little bit. So yeah, nothing much. We'll keep waiting. I'll see if I can vlog a bit of the event. I don't know how. But yeah. Anyway, catch you guys later.
Make a left all the way to the end. The females are by the right and the males are by the left. And if you want to get refills, you can go outside by your right, so you can buy your liquor. We have bottle services tonight too. So go right ahead, get ready.
So guys, we're getting small chops. Or is it small chops? Oh, suya! Wow, this is like a taste of home. Hi. Yeah. So do you want to tell them about, what you do? It looks very nice, and it smells yummy too.
So this is suya in the box. This is a unique concept, and it's everything you can think of when it comes to original. So we're trying to redefine the way suya is. Everything's organic and ready to go, and give it a try. You can also follow us on Instagram at everything.
Oh, thank you. Honestly, guys, it looks so yummy. Like when I open mine, I'm going to show okay. It smells really good. Oh my god. So yes, at least this is something to look forward to. Aside Bovi, anyway.
So it is my first time in Toronto.
Yeah, first time in Toronto.
Yeah. It's my first time here. And it's my first time attending a show outside of Nigeria after the pandemic. Yeah. So please, if you're here and you are alive, please clap for yourself.
Sorry, good evening. I want to start the Little Spring. All the organizers there, ask them, no jokes. It was as in, that's why I can't behave myself, stand like pupil when they recite poem, they talk joke. And those guys, some of them for that place, their family don't know say they still their life. I swear they don't forget about them. And they see some old people and they shock. and they've lost touch with Nigeria completely. He said, Sam Loco. Sam Loco went up there, so today when I come here, I just first at the peak since. So as I see we form, my mind come down. Go straight. I see colored hair, see young people. You know, I'm not gonna clap for you, not too much. Thank you. And the fact that this show almost didn't hold, because last minute we changed, not the venue we planned with this year. You all know that, right? The other venue, the real venue, the woman catch COVID. Who said that? Wait, will I never get her? Your turn is coming. Don't know yourself. This thing will go round. I can tell you. Have you taken the vaccines? You will still get it. I kid you not. You will get it if it's going around. So, you say don't pass. As long as you've taken the vaccine, your life is on the balance. It's in the balance. Anyway, I'm just happy I don't come. We'll get nice show. Because between the day before yesterday and yesterday, for my mind, my career don't die. So now old people, once I did exit gates, and they go to ask me on San Loco, we don't die since. You know, so I'm just happy that okay now we're here. And after I did yesterday's show in Cal, I got it now, right? Yeah. After I did yesterday's show, my phone just the buzz since yesterday. Bovi, when are you coming to Toronto? When are you coming to Toronto? Hope you brought stuff for me from Nigeria. I said, wait. Me with the Nigeria hellfire. When I went to heaven, who's supposed to bring something for me? So me. And the things that they asked me to bring, I realized all of you have cravings. Bovi, please bring granola. Bovi, bring buttermilk sweet. Prince George. Don't clap for the promoter, Prince George. He's done a good job. Yeah. Anybody you see running around like a headless chicken, stress won't kill her. Okay, your girls don't they come? All right.